Patience, the quiet strength that leads to success. Patience is one of the greatest strengths a person can possess. It is not simply waiting for something to happen. Patience is the ability to remain calm, hopeful, and determined while working toward a goal, even when results take longer than expected. In today's fast-paced world, people often want instant success. We want quick answers, fast results, and immediate rewards. But nature teaches us a different lesson. A seed does not become a mighty tree overnight.
It grows slowly, developing strong roots before reaching toward the sky. In the same way, our dreams require time, effort, and patience. Many successful people have faced years of failure before achieving their goals. They did not give up because they understood that every challenge was preparing them for something greater. Patience allowed them to learn from mistakes, improve their skills, and continue moving forward. Patience is also important in our relationships. We all make mistakes, and we all grow at different speeds.
Being patient with family, friends, and coworkers helps us build trust, understanding, and lasting friendships. Listening before judging and forgiving instead of holding anger creates stronger connections. Patience also teaches emotional control. When things don't go as planned, it is easy to become frustrated or discouraged, but a patient person chooses wisdom over anger and hope over fear. They understand that difficult moments are temporary and that every storm eventually passes. There will be seasons in life when you feel like nothing is changing.
You may work hard every day without seeing immediate results. During those moments, remember that the strongest roots grow beneath the surface where no one can see them. Your effort is never wasted. Every small step is preparing you for future success. Patience is not weakness. In fact, it requires courage, self-control, and faith. It means believing in yourself even when others doubt you. It means continuing your journey even when the road is difficult. Success is rarely about speed. It is about consistency. Small actions repeated every day create extraordinary results over time.
Whether you are studying, building a business, improving your health, or pursuing your dreams, patience will help you stay focused. Never compare your journey with someone else's. Everyone has a different path and a different timeline. Your season will come. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing. Remember this: the sun rises every morning at the perfect time. Flowers bloom in their own season, and rivers never rush to reach the ocean. Nature reminds us that the most beautiful things happen with patience. So trust the process. Stay faithful to your goals. Continue working with discipline and hope. One day you will look back and realize that your patience became the foundation of your greatest success.